This is a tool set from Melissa and Doug. We're going to attempt to expand its capabilities by using these shims. Here, Kevin. Kevin's been making airplanes out of these shims and helicopters, so we're going to see if we can use the Melissa and Doug bolts and nails and things like that, if we can drill holes in these wood to expand the usefulness of this tool set. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
These little screw things, it comes with two types of fasteners, this screw and this it's kind of like a nail. I've got this bit here that's a little bigger than a 1/4 inch. No, it's probably 3/8 bit. We're essentially going to drill or make some new boards to be able to make better use of these fasteners. So to do that, we're going to use this drill press. Okay, so you can use a normal hand drill for this, something like this. You can get a little bit more accurate with a drill press. This is a Craftsman drill press. It just lets you do things like line up the wood and then have a real controlled drop. So I'm just going to turn it on, make a couple holes in this wood. Yeah, it doesn't go through the middle there. Okay, so now Kevin will see what he does, see what he can build with these sticks and the set, okay? Stop it. Let's play.
It is.
So as you can see, we were able to extend the play to make airplanes out of the Melissa and Doug. It's called the Take Along Toolkit. So obviously if we would have drilled the holes maybe to match these, that would be a way to improve the process so that it have greater extendability. So look forward to seeing what you come up with.